and welcome to the Fort Worth Herd Cattle Drive. 150 years ago, this was their last stop. 500 miles of rugged land to Kansas. Fort Worth for 4 months of beans and hardtack and sleeping under the stars. Today you'll catch a glimpse of that fast, but the herd is more than spectacle.
Wow.
It's a reminder of Fort Worth's western heritage. The cowboy grit and rugged independence so ingrained in the Texas spirit.
What's this picture?
In the stockyard,
Yeah,
just days
shooing 'em away.
of adventure. And it starts right